My name is Guncha. We are from Turkmenistan. I have with me today my daughter Hatyja, my son Ismail, and my husband Rahman. We come from Akal region, Turkmenistan. I'm wearing today Turkmen traditional dress we call koynek, yaka, which is embroidery, and this one is chavat, like a gown. This is handmade silk, and this is ladies' outfit. This is occasional toppe, handmade silver and gold plated. My husband Rahman, he's wearing Telpek. It's made from sheepskin. He's wearing don, which is his gown, made from silk as well. Ismail is wearing Tahya on his head. That is a special type of embroidery for boys. And Ismail is wearing yakalı koynek. It's mean with embroidery. And he's wearing boshok, that is belt. And he's wearing on his hand Yenglik. And he is wearing on his chest Kirlik.
Today I am wearing a Tahya on my head. This is a Turkmen style hat with Turkmen embroidery. I am wearing a Turkmen chavat, which is a top coat over our dresses. I am also wearing a bilezik. This was used in the olden times to protect women's wrists when they were at war, as they were also fighting and staying strong alongside men. I am also wearing a gulyaka. This is also a type of necklace, and this was also to protect women's chests.
I'm so proud of being Turkmen. I'm so glad that I can share my culture. And I feel when I wear this type of my traditional dress, I feel so unique. Do not be shy of your culture. Do not be shy of your traditional clothes. Do not be shy, share your culture. Tell people where are you from and who you are in this country. And be together and tell people what is the meaning of your traditional clothes.